Welcome to Easternparadigm. I am Xavier Basumatari. The Uttarakhand Assembly approved the Uniform Civil Code UCC bill, making it the first state in India to embrace a standardized legal framework for personal matters. With 58 legislators in favor, 12 from the Congress and the Samajwadi Party opposed the bill, staging a walkout. Pending the governor's approval, the bill aims to eradicate practices like polygamy and child marriage, enforcing a uniform minimum marriage age of 21. Inheritance rights are equalized, and marriages and divorces must be registered. The UCC also recognizes and regulates live-in relationships. The bill's foundation lies in recommendations from five-member expert panel led by former Supreme Court Justice Ranjana Prakash Desai, following a directive from the Uttarakhand High Court in 2022. Article 44 of the Indian Constitution inspires the UCC, advocating a uniform civil law across religious lines. The BJP has championed this cause, countering the current diverse personal laws derived from religious texts. The Goa Civil Code is the only existing uniform civil law in India, albeit with community-specific provisions. Past attempts to implement a UCC faced withdrawal due to opposition, highlighting concerns about diversity and cultural identity. However, the bill has faced criticism from the opposition parties and some sections of society who claim that it violates the religious and cultural rights of minorities and vulnerable groups. They have demanded that the bill be sent to a select committee for further discussion and scrutiny. The parties that have opposed the bill include the Congress, Trinamool Congress, Communist Party of India, and Aam Aadmi Party. The Bharatiya Janata Party argues that it will promote secularism and national integration. The UCC also has faced opposition from the Northeast India as well, where there are more than 220 ethnic tribes with diverse customs and practices. These tribes fear that the UCC will infringe upon their constitutional rights to follow their own custom across states and ethnic communities. Opposition from the Northeast India, with its diverse tribes, reflects fears of encroachment on customary laws. Mizoram, Nagaland, and Meghalaya have expressed concerns, adding complexity to the ongoing socio-legal discourse. The bill's passage in Uttarakhand raises questions about its fate in other states and the central parliament, especially given the vocal opposition it has encountered. That's all for today's news. For more such updates, keep watching Easternparadigm.
We present to you Shakti Yatra. Shakti Yatra, the ultimate travel experience. Looking for a comfortable and hassle-free travel experience? Look no further than Shakti Yatra. Our new bus service offers a convenient and affordable way to travel between Kokrajhar and Guwahati. With Shakti Yatra, you can enjoy a smooth and comfortable ride in our state-of-the-art buses. Our buses are equipped with modern amenities such as air conditioning, comfortable seating, and ample legroom to ensure that you have a comfortable journey. Our experienced and professional drivers are committed to providing you with a safe and enjoyable travel experience. Booking your ticket is easy and hassle-free. You can book your tickets offline from the ticket counter near Pragati Bhavan and also online through www.redbus.in. So why wait? Book your ticket with Shakti Yatra today and experience the ultimate travel experience.